friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Into a lovely segment of #Tanatan Tuesday, I am going to share a lovely kitchen storage and organization tips which will keep the pests away, especially in this pandemic when we cannot call anybody inside our house. But this hacks will surely be useful, so make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, you know to subscribe it. Watch the video till the end for all the amazing hacks and the useful tips. So let's get started. So friends, tip number 1 is usually we have the habit of putting the newspapers as our kitchen liners. Like usually under the drawers we usually put the newspaper, and then we place all our washed and clean kitchen utensils, which is a big no, as the newspaper prints have some kind of sweetness and that attract cockroaches and the other pests. So this is complete no-no, so throw it away immediately. And I would suggest to use this type of comfort light liners which you easily get into the market, and this liners it is washable, so you can see you can cut according to the sizes of your drawer, wash it and again place it. That has to be done only 1.5 to 2 months once, or you can easily throw this away and place another liners. So these liners are approx 145 to 150 rupees, easily available in the market with 2 sizes. As you can see, these are the sheets, and these are the fiber sheets kind. They call it as a non-toxic and the protection with the abnormal odor. So this will never attract pests in your kitchen, and the 80% of the problem, especially in the drawers, of cockroaches and small ants, which are very irritating, especially when we're working in our kitchen. So this will solve 80% of the problem. So this is number 1 hack. Number 2, very important, is the room spray, that is the herbal room spray of the strategy. And these are mosquito repellent as well as the pest repellent, which I usually use. So what I do, I take the spray, I spray it across the kitchen windows aside, so that the lizards or any other kind of bugs that especially come out when we open our mosquito mesh. And so this will really help you to keep the pests and the mosquitoes and the lizards away to entering inside. You can also use this for the bathroom window shade, where especially the small tiny lizards can easily enter, and you may be horrified when you see. So this is very nice, and this fragrance keeps everything away. So this is again herbal, and it is of a strategy company. You easily get in the market or on the Amazon online. Number 3, very important tip is to keep the ants away from your dining table, which is very important. Usually what happens, we keep a slight sweet thing and the ants just get aside, and it's very irritating. So this colon spray, which is very easily and reasonably you get in the market, ek pe ek free, also you get buy one get one free offer. So buy this, you can spray it once in the morning, once in the evening, clean your kitchen nicely, and the fragrance will keep all the ants. So friends, hack number 4 is to keep sweets away from the tiny ants, even in the dining. Even after spraying colon and everything, it will keep away the ants, especially over the period. But immediately, if you want to solve the problem immediately, so what my suggestion would be, if you're placing any sweets in your dining table, don't place it like that in the dining, otherwise the ants will come. Instead, take a plate or a thali that is medium height, and then place the water inside, and then you can, inside the water, in between of it, just place the bowl like this, and this will keep the ants away overnight, or maybe 2 days or 1 day, and your sweet will completely stay nice whenever you want to eat it. And the colon will help within 2 to 3 days, and it will also over the period solve your problem. So this is hack number 4, which is the immediate hack if you want to keep the ants away. and the other things away from your sweet, you can also do this hack for the sugar if you have the problem coming into the sugar. Now from sugar, I remember one more idea for the sugar. Usually what happens in the sugar when you keep it for over the long period in the plastic containers, usually it melts, it starts melting, and it's not very much nice and coarse, but it gives a melted thing, and the sugar starts become sticky. So to avoid that, add 4 to 5 long, that is cloves, inside your sugar. This will absorb the moisture of the sugar and it will keep as fresh as possible, especially when you keep in containers for the longer period of time. So hack number 5 here is for the Rava semolina. Usually we have bought the Rava as the lockdown period and this pandemic. We usually have the habit of storing Rava to make our breakfast, to make our snacks, to make idlis and stuff like that. So because of the moisture content and the monsoon season, the Rava tends to get bad and attract a tiny eels inside, which is not good. So my hack for the Rava would be, take a pan, add the Rava, roast it nicely into the slow flame for 5 to 6 minutes, and you can store it outside without refrigerating into your fridge when you have lot of space consumed already in the fridge. So you can roast it nicely, store it for 2 to 3 months, it would stay nice and fresh. Hope friends this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Watch more of my videos and don't forget to comment down how did you feel like, how was the useful tips, and if you have more useful hacks especially for the pest, comments down and let me know. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Bye. Have a great amazing day.